Hello children, how are you? I hope everyone has started studying. Today I, Clara Singh for class 3 from Carmen Residential School will be teaching you English literature, and we will start with the new chapter Snow White. Have you all opened your books? Please open to page number 19. Yes, I will read out the story for you. Snow White. Have you ever heard about Snow White? No, she was not dressed up in like a snow white dress. She was not wearing a white dress. Now this story has been written by Brothers Grimm. Snow White was a pretty little girl. She lived with her stepmother close to the woods. Now here woods means forest. That is, in Hindi it is called jungle. Her stepmother did not like her. One day, Snow White's stepmother said to her servants, "Take Snow White to the woods and kill her and throw her to the wild beast." Now here beast means animals. So in forest who lives? People live? No, the wild animals live. The servants loved Snow White because she was kind to them. They felt sorry for her. They felt sorry means they were feeling very sad for her. They took her to the woods and told her to run away. Snow White wandered into the woods. Here wandered means roaming around from one place to another. Because it's a new place, she had lost her way and she was looking for a right path to reach at the right place. She saw a light among the trees. She walked towards the light and came to a little cottage. 7 dwarfs lived in the cottage. Now here cottage means a house, a small house, a hut. And what do you mean by dwarfs? Have you seen dwarfs in the circus? They are very small heighted. In Hindi we call them bone. They are very short heighted and you can mostly see them in the circus. They saw Snow White and took her in. They said to her, "Will you stay with us and look after our house?" Snow White was happy to be with them. Far away from her stepmother, she cooked and cleaned for them. So in the pictures, can you see the Snow White is cooking for them, she's cleaning the house, and she's telling the stories to them. And those are small little dwarfs. One day, her stepmother got to know that she was still alive. She dressed like an old woman and came to the cottage where Snow White lived with the 7 dwarfs. So, what happened? Snow White's mother came to know that she was alive, वो जिंदा थी, and to meet her, उनसे मिलने के लिए आई, and she started coming every day. She visited her often and made friends with her. Now Snow White was not knowing actually that she is her stepmother because she had changed herself as an old woman. She visited. Here visited means वो बार बार आती थी. She used to come and see her every day often and made friends with her. On one such visit, she gave her an apple to eat. So in the picture, can you see that old woman has come and she is giving an apple to Snow White and asking her to eat it. Snow White bit into the apple and fell into a faint. She did not know that the old woman was her wicked stepmother and that the apple was full of poison. Now first word is faint, means एकदम चक्कर खा के गिर जाना, and the poison is, that is a food or drink that cause illness. She added something and she got fainted. The 7 dwarfs came home after a tiring day of work in the woods. Now here tiring means not able to do anything because of the need to rest. They were very tired. बहुत थके हुए थे. They saw Snow White and thought she was dead. They laid her out in a glass casket and sat down and cried for her. Why? Because they thought she has died. She was dead over there because something happened to her and she died. A handsome prince was passing by on his horse. He saw Snow White in the glass casket and stopped his horse. Now there was a prince who was passing by वहाँ से गुजर रहा था. He saw Snow White in the glass casket and stopped his horse. He got off and went up to the glass casket. He lifted Snow White's right hand and kissed it. Snow White opened her eyes and sat up. The prince thought that she was the most beautiful girl he had ever seen. He married her and took her away to his grand castle. So children, did you like the story? I hope everyone enjoyed the video, watching the pictures along with the story. For the homework, you all have to read chapter 2, and in the next video I will give you some work. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you and have a nice day.